All right, what we got today is this door doesn't stay closed all the way, and there's no way to lock it when you're leaving your camper unless you take and flip that up. So what I'm going to do is install a nice little key lock. This is just a little cheap $7 Amazon cabinet lock. So I'm going to drill a hole and have it deadbolt right in there. All right, there we go. We got a nice hole punched through, and let's go ahead and punch the lock through. I'm going to have to use my my router because this is too thick for the lock. It doesn't have a long enough shaft, so I'm going to have to route this down a little bit, but that's all right. All right, that came out pretty cool. So this lock has two features for the arm. It has a 180 where the thing goes all the way, and then it has a 45 where it just goes whoop, whoop, like that, and that's what I wanted. I got that installed. So right now, you can see it's locked pretty tight, and let's go ahead and unlock it. Put the key in the right orientation. Unlocked. Boom. There it goes. So yeah, I gotta paint this. A little bit cut up, but works pretty good. It just hits that wood beam right there that I put in there. So it all came out pretty nice. Looking good after a couple shots. A good old Flex Seal in the white color. All set.